Now I'll try to give some information about slicing software or slicer software. So when you start your 3D printing journey, you will hear a lot about slicing software or slicers. So it's very important part in 3D printing. Uh, First of all, when you get your file as STL format or OBJ format or any format, you download it from internet. You cannot just give it to your 3D printer and expect that it will be able to print from that STL file. You have to convert it into a Gcode file format. So Gcode file format is mostly any computer numerical controlled machines like 3D printers or CNC machines. They can read only Gcode format. So and slicing software, they convert your STL file into Gcode file format. There are plenty of different companies. They offer slicing softwares for free. You can The most popular is Ultimaker Cura. It's from ultimaker.com. You can download for free, and you have to download and install it in your computer. Once you install it, you will get at the very first time when you run that from your start Ultimaker Cura. When you start it for the very first time, it will ask you to select your printer type. So most of the printers we use that we use for personal use, they are non-networked type. uh, or if you connect your printer to with the internet, I'm sure there are some printers that are connected with internet, but most of them are non-networked. So you have to select from non-network printer. I'm selecting non-network printer. You click on this non-network printer, and it will bring out the list of 3D printers from many different manufacturers. For my case, I'm using Creality 3D, their printer, which is a Creality Ender 3 Pro is my printer. And you see it's coming with the printer name. You can modify it. Like for my case, I'm selecting 5 MTB 3D printer, 5 MTB printer, and add it. So it will automatically select all the G code and everything, all the profile automatically, based on Creality Ender 3D Ender 3 Pro type. And you select this printer, and that's all for the setup of the slicing software.